Did the first periodic table include noble gases? Have you ever wondered about the origins of the periodic table and whether it included noble gases? Let's take a closer look at this fascinating topic. When Dmitri Mendeleev created his periodic table in 1869, noble gases were not part of the picture. At that time, these elements had not yet been discovered. Mendeleev's table was based on the known elements and their atomic weights. His focus was on predicting missing elements within existing groups, but he did not include a separate group for inert gases. The noble gases, which include helium, neon, argon, Krypton, and Xenon, were identified later in the late 19th century. Argon was discovered in 1894 by Lord Rayleigh and William Ramsay. They found it as a previously unknown component of air. Following this discovery, Ramsay and others isolated helium from natural sources. They then went on to discover neon, Krypton, and Xenon in the atmosphere. These discoveries established noble gases as a distinct group of elements known for their chemical inertness. It was only after the discovery of these gases that they were added to the periodic table. By 1902, Mendeleev and other chemists accepted their existence and placed them in a new group, often referred to as Group 0 or Group 18. This new classification reflected their unique properties and lack of chemical reactivity. The inclusion of noble gases in the periodic table marked an important milestone in the development of chemical science. Their discovery expanded the understanding of how elements are classified and how they behave chemically. The stability of noble gases also influenced theories of chemical bonding, such as the octet rule. This rule explains why these gases rarely form compounds. In practical terms, noble gases have found many useful applications due to their inertness. For example, helium is commonly used in lighter-than-air balloons and airships as a safer alternative to hydrogen. Argon is often used to protect filaments in incandescent light bulbs from oxidation. Further research has even shown that, under specific conditions, noble gases can form compounds, adding another layer to the chemistry of these elements. To sum it up, the first periodic table did not include noble gases because they had not yet been discovered. Their identification in the 1890s and later inclusion in the periodic table, representing a key historical milestone in our understanding of matter and the organization of elements. This development illustrates how scientific knowledge evolves over time, building upon earlier frameworks to refine our comprehension of the natural world.